শ্ৰদ্ধাৰ সভাপতিদেৱ, মঞ্চত উপবিষ্ট আমন্ত্ৰিত ব্যক্তিসকল, শ্ৰদ্ধাৰ শিক্ষাগুৰু, দুয়ো শাখাৰ ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰী। আজিৰ নিউজ পেপাৰৰ ফাৰ্ষ্ট পেজত এখন ফটোগ্ৰাফ আছিলে, বৰ ধুনীয়াকৈ আঁকি দিয়া। আই থিংক সেই ফটোগ্ৰাফখনে আজিৰ দিনৰ তাৎপৰ্য বহন কৰিছে। চাইছে নেকি? Okay. Today we are here to celebrate the Teachers' Day, as we have already known. As we know, in India, the birth of the second President of India, Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, the 5th September 1888, has been celebrated as a Teachers' Day since 1962. The day not only highlights the importance of teachers in our life. I would like to say anything could not be done or could not be learned without the help of a teacher. In this connection, I would like to say that teachers mean maybe our parent, maybe our friend, or maybe our colleague. All may our teachers. So be it painting, cooking, or learning language, it is a teacher who guides us how to acquire particular trait in excel in any kind of. Teachers are the backbone of the society, as they contribute in building the character and personality of an individual. Teachers Day provides an opportunity to students to thank her teachers for their selfless efforts and precious inputs which they provide to their students. They are the ones who help us to recognize our hidden talents and polish us to bring out the best in us. The purpose of celebrating this event is to make students realize the importance of teachers in our life. I feel so blessed to have great mentors in my life too, who have always guided me and led me on the path of success. And for their contribution, today I am standing here and speaking in front of a crowd. I draw inspiration from all my teachers who work really hard to groom every child and make them a better version of life. I would also like to thank all my teachers who contribute in making me what I am today and standing here. Thank you so much.